Today we're talking about hair conditioners, and I get a lot of comments and questions from people asking, is using hair conditioner bad? Should I use hair conditioner? What does hair conditioner do? Well, really, hair conditioner is designed to make your hair feel soft, right? To help add a little bit of moisture, to help detangle your hair mostly, because when hair is not conditioned, guess what? It's in bad condition, okay? So conditioner is really designed to help your hair feel a lot better, to help get those tangles and make it feel smoother. Because if you just shampoo your hair, chances are it may feel a bit on the drier side, because what's happening is that you're actually removing all the, the dirt, the buildup, the residue, whatever it is in your hair, and you're making it almost like quote unquote squeaky clean. You're making it very, very clean. And that sometimes could feel a bit more drying because you're stripping out a bunch of stuff from the hair. Your hair could also feel very clean and fresh as well. So I have, like my shampoos, sometimes you don't even need conditioner because they're so conditioning in it because of the ingredients. But a conditioner is really designed to make your hair feel softer, to help get rid of tangles and knots so it doesn't look and feel so brittle and dry. And that's really the point of it. Now, there are intensive conditioning treatments which really are designed to penetrate, into the hair shaft and really just coat the cuticle and make the hair feel a lot better and a lot more silky compared to what it was before. Typically, it's someone who's got really dry hair. You may have to do this once a week, or what we call conditioning treatment. Once a week, you do an intensive conditioning treatment. You wash your hair, you put the conditioner on, and you let it sit in your hair for 10, 15 minutes, and it just really absorbs into the hair shaft. And when you rinse it, your hair feels incredible. Now, why wouldn't you use conditioner? Well, if you're an individual whose hair is always laying very, very flat, sometimes conditioner can make the hair feel almost too soft or too silky. So sometimes by doing that, you're just going to increase the chances of weighing it down a bit more. So you may not want to condition your hair just because it gets too soft and silky, okay? But if you are, someone who already has very, very silky, soft hair to begin with, maybe only shampoo your hair and condition it once every other day. Or if you shampoo every 2 or 3 days, shampoo it, and then the next time you wash your hair, use a little conditioner. And you can use a little bit. You can take a little dab of conditioner, work it through your hands, and just pull it through the ends of your hair. Like you can also, doesn't mean like when you use conditioner, you have to, 9 pumps, a huge glob of conditioner, you put on mat it on your hair and you work it. You don't have to do that. You can literally put a little drop of conditioner, just piece it through the ends like this, it doesn't even get in your scalp, and rinse it out. And that could even help alone. So be creative with how you're applying the conditioner, because chances are maybe you're applying too much of it, right? And it's too heavy on your hair. Then you can't hold a style in your hair because your hair's too soft and silky. So, I think conditioners are great. I most of the time use a conditioner unless somebody's got really, really fine hair, their hair does not need it, right? Or I'm using one of my shampoos and it's conditioning enough. So, that's my opinion on conditioner. Let me know in the comments below if you are using conditioner, if you're going to try my advice. I'd love to know. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.